bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown, but longed for still. And the fat worm's waiting on a dawn-bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. This is part of a poem by Maya Angelou. And in today's video, we're going to learn how to make a bird feeder. Because why keep birds in cages when you can admire their beauty and hear them sing in nature? If you want to read the rest of it, just access this link down here. Let's start. So you can find this activity on volume 4 of your magazine, the one that talks about animals and animal protection, on pages 24, 25. And here's what you need. You're going to need a clean PET bottle with a cap, 2 sticks or chopsticks, a drawing pin, some twine or string about 40 centimeters long, a pair of scissors, and a plastic or styrofoam plate. Now our bottle is already clean, so basically you should just be careful and remove the label of your bottle. Turn the bottle upside down, and then you're going to punch a hole using the drawing pin. You're going to punch a hole approximately where the label was, right? These 2 holes have to be opposite from each other, so you have to be careful on where exactly it is, okay? So here it is. I'm going to give you a hint. You can use the stick or the chopstick to make a larger hole. As you can see, I think it's easier. And this is what you have to do. So you've done this on one, and then you have to stick another one here. So just punch this here. And another one on the other side. Okay. And as I mentioned, you can use this to make it larger. Okay. It might be a little tricky, so if you want, you can just try to do this on the other side. Okay, right? Okay. So in the end, you're going to have an X-shaped pole for the bird. This is what we call a perch, and this is where the bird will stand, okay? Now, using the drawing pin and if the scissors, if it helps, you can use the scissors. You may also use the drawing pin to punch these holes. You're going to punch some more holes for the bird to feed. These are the feeders, so this is where you keep the seeds. So the bird stands here and feeds here on these little holes, okay? And now I'm gonna punch some more holes. This is not very hard to do. It's actually pretty simple. Just be careful not to hurt yourself. You should also punch a hole here on each side of the cap. Sorry, on each side of the bottom of your bottle. And you're going to need this because this is where you put the string, okay? To make things easier, you might want to do this. You just tie a piece of the string on one of the poles because it makes it easier to pass it through. So this is where you're going to hang your bird feeder, okay? Then you can decide how long you want it to be, right? Okay. Moving on. Here's what you're going to do now. You're going to get your styrofoam or plastic plate, and you're going to draw a circle in the middle of it. I'll actually advise you to use the cap to mark that circle, okay? Great. And then you can use the drawing pin to make the opening for you to insert on the scissors. And then you're going to cut this circle through. So here's what you're going to do. Cut that hole. And so, basically, the purpose of this is to avoid the seeds from falling, to prevent them from falling. So you just screw the cap back on and hang your bird feeder. Here it is. Isn't it great? Something you can do is also customize either the plate, even the bottle, or the perches, why not? Then just put some seeds in it and hang it out for the birds to feed. As soon as you've done this project, why don't you take a picture and share these pictures in our app? We're gonna love to see the work you've done. Thank you very much for watching this. See you next time.